All right, so this Toshiba has a remote control, but it also has manual controls. And it does have a Wi-Fi hookup, and you can download an app and all that, but you know, that's kind of ridiculous. If you're going to be in the room, you just turn it on. Now this is the power button, and that's a universal icon for power. It's got sleep, you know, it's got the fan, high, constant, low, medium. Then it has the temperature up, temperature down, it's got the mode, and it's got a timer. And so you can also do vent angles, so it goes like this on that. But I want to show you the simplest way to do it that I found. And that is, first you're going to just hit your power button and turn it on. And right now it's on 75 degrees, okay? And this is going to slowly open. It takes a while. Bam, there she goes. Now, if I want to go down and drop the temperature, I'm going to press this one. So there's 74, 73. If I want to go up, I press this one. 74, 75. I'm going to leave it on 75. It's in Fahrenheit, okay? And right now the fan is on high. It's really pumping it out. If you want to change it, you can go like this. Medium, low, or high. And right now we've got it on high. Let's go ahead and put it on medium. And then over here is the mode. Right now I've got it on cool. If you wanted to take the moisture out of the air, you could put it to dry, or you could put it to auto, and then it would heat or cool, or just have the fan. So the way you do that was press this. You see it says 78. There's fan, there's auto, and there's cool. And that's basically how it works. The timer over here, you can turn it on and off, but I'm not even gonna fool with that. I'm just gonna leave it just like it is and let it cool here. You can really feel it. It feels really cool. All right, so I'm going to come back here so you can hear how loud it is. So I'm in the back bedroom, and that's pretty much it right there. It sounds like a window shaker, you know, I mean, it's like one of those cheap window shakers. It's about the same decibels. So I think you could sleep with this without a problem. You can see it's moving up and down. And that's what it looks like inside there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff with your Toshiba.